Hello, it's How To Not To, and today I'm going to be showing you how to fix lost suction in your Dyson DC25 vacuum cleaner. So if you have lost suction in your vacuum, it might mean that the filters or the hose pipes are either blocked or damaged, or it could be the motor, which is a more serious problem if that's the case. You can usually tell if it's the motor as it gives off a burning smell, or it might sound differently. So first of all, I'm going to check the filter, which is located in the ball, by pressing down on this button here, and the lid should easily open. This is the post motor filter. This can be washed just by running it under a tap and allowing it to dry completely before putting it back in. So if you want your vacuum to last longer, it's very important to take care of it by checking the filters, cleaning them out every 3 months. So the one thing I like about Dyson is you can easily take it apart just by clicking buttons, and it can easily be reassembled easily as well. So it's a very good design. Next, I'm going to check the premotor filter, which is located in the cyclone assembly. So here it is. So if your filters are damaged, then you can easily replace them by either contacting Dyson directly, or you can go online where you can find replacement parts on Amazon. You can find a link to this in the description box down below. So again, just wash it under a tap and give it a good rinse and allow it to dry for 24 hours or until it is completely dry. So the next thing you want to check are the hose and the seals for any splits or tears. So I'm just going to do that now. This is the lower duct hose. So I'm just checking for any holes, etc. in there as well. This is the changeover valve hose. So again, just going to check that as well. Nothing there. So they both seem fine. What's left to check? So you can remove the duct hose to allow you to access it more easily. I'm just going to feel around in there to make sure nothing's obstructing or blocked. You can also remove the cleaner head by pressing down on the button and underneath the head. So if there is any hair, dust or strings that's got tangled in there, just remove it. So this is the main pipe at the back of the vacuum. So I'm just going to unclip here and remove it from the top. So unclip that away from the handle. So you want to check this as well for blockage and tears. And this is not. So this bit at the bottom isn't moving. I mean, I can't unclip it from the bottom part of the hose. Maybe it doesn't come off, I'm not sure. If you know how to remove it, then please let me know in the comments below. So I'll be happy for any help with that. I'm just going to check for any, again, tears and damage. So finally, let me just move this in view, and I'm going to remove the cyclone, as there is one more thing I have to show you. So this is the cyclone body. So what I'm going to do is just click it here to open the flap down the bottom to release the dirt that has been collected in the bagless container. So just pull the grey handle and it should come apart like so. So as you can see, the cyclone body needs a good clean as well. I'm just going to use a soft brush to brush away the dirt, and that will be ready to pop back in once it's all clean. So there's nothing really blocking in there, and that's it. Hopefully once you've done all the checks, your vacuum should be should have good suction again. And thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification button to see more videos, and bye for now.